So today, I'm going to be talking to you all about the Rare token. Obviously, we have covered the Rare token extensively. We've done a tremendous amount of trading with Rare, though perhaps a bit less with Altium. And what exactly is this Rare token, you might ask? Well, it's a token that has experienced significant growth over the last 3 days. These are indeed one-day candles. Clearly, we identified it very early on, as you will soon see, and it's achieved an incredible 190% surge in just one trade. To put that into perspective, in just 10 trades, it's generated an astonishing 1,800% increase, which is really quite a remarkable feat, to be perfectly honest. And if you're keen to see the actual results, well, obviously, when I issued the call for trades, many people were predicting it would go up. But look at this, 61% on Rare, 27% on Rare, a staggering 125% move on Rare, another 103% surge on Rare, and the momentum just keeps going and going. We're seeing a 50% gain here and a colossal 3,658% on Rare. So it's abundantly clear that Rare is an absolutely super-powered token. And if you're interested in joining my trading team, we currently have 567.
But what it genuinely does is it significantly aids beginners in really understanding the market dynamics. When I say I don't need to rely on, I'm not referring to money, I'm referring to the complexity of the indicators. I mean, it simplifies the process. And obviously, you can see the pattern. A bounce, another bounce, another bounce. You break through the box, you enter the trade, and it goes up. It keeps on going up. It keeps on going up. When the indicator provides a clear signal, it's straightforward, it's easy, it's incredibly simple. And then the price starts to fall back down. And obviously, as you can observe, you apply the exact same concept.